Alright, so Blue Apron, have you guys heard about it? They send fresh ingredients to make your own food, and they send the recipe, and you have to be your own chef, and you have to pay for that. You cook your own food, but they provide the ingredients and the procedure. So I have the way to make it, and I have all the ingredients. So today we are gonna make cumin szechuan shrimp, and it looks beautiful. Yeah, I'll try to make it as beautiful as it looks in this picture. And we have all the ingredients. They shipped all the ingredients right here. You can see all of them. And as a first step, I started cooking the rice. They gave jasmine rice, and they suggested to put in salt, but instead I put in my favorite chicken bouillon, and I set it to cook. So now as a second step, I'm gonna chop. I actually already chopped all the vegetables, and I'm gonna put all the sauces into this bowl. So I have ginger garlic, minced them up, and then bok choy and mushrooms. And I'm putting the sauce, which is this is soy glaze. That's what I put it in this bowl. And this one is pepper something. Let me see. Ooh. Alright, peppercorn sauce. Interesting. And this is apple cider vinegar, and then 1 tablespoon of water, and mix that up. Now it's time to cook some vegetables. In this pan I added 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and now it's time to add some mushrooms. And let it cook for about 3 minutes, and then add stems of the bok choy, not the leaves part, but just the stems. Alright, my mushrooms are looking good. It's time to add the bok choy stems. I separated the leaves, and it's time only to cook the stems, so let's add that. And then this will cook for about 4 minutes. After cooking for 4 minutes, I added some pepper and salt and some pepper flakes. So it's looking good now. It's the color, I love it. Alright, now it's time to cook the shrimp. First add ginger garlic. And here is our shrimp. It's looking pretty good. Alright. Okay, there is our shrimp. Let it cook for about 4 minutes. While it's cooking, I added some salt and pepper. Here are my cooked vegetables, and it's time to add the cooked vegetables and the bok choy leaves. And also the sauce. Let's add the sauce. And let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. So after 3 or 4 minutes, it's looking like this, and I'm gonna turn the stove off, and serve it in a nice plate on the bed of rice. Alright, this is how it's looking. It's looking awesome. And so is my wife, who is
I'm so starving, so can't wait to take a bite of this. So I'm gonna scoop out the bed of rice along with some vegetables, and I don't think I'll be able to eat the whole shrimp in one bite, so I'm gonna take a small teeny weeny bit here and put it over along with my vegetables and everything and sauce. A taste of China in our house.
Alright, this is what I have in my plate, and I'm gonna enjoy it now. Alright guys, have fun.